Our Locksmith services include 24-hour emergency locksmith services and advanced security solutions. Licensed and bonded technicians offering 24-hour locksmith service for commercial, residential, and auto. Locked out? Lost a key? Skilled locksmith technicians available 24 hours a day. 100% satisfaction guarantee. High security locks replaced and installed. CCTV and alarm systems. Call now 203-202-3101. Armor Locksmith Security is committed to excellence and continues to be an outstanding business in Connecticut. We take pride on an outstanding record of quality service. Our real and only true assets is the customer full satisfaction. We really believe in it. The reason is simple. It's the only way to succeed. Our longevity is a testament to the level of service and quality you'll get when you choose us for your locksmith needs. We have a full staff of highly talented and motivated individuals that are eager to help you with all of your locksmith needs. Call 203-202-3101. Say that you saw this clip and get 10% discount.